Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable Windows Defender for your HUAWEI MateBook 16s. So click on the start, move on to the settings, enter Windows Defender, Windows Defender Firewall, and to turn it off, click on Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Turn off, click on OK, and now it should be turned off. If you want to enable it, you can click on Restore Defaults or turn Windows Defender on again, like that. Set OK, and it's back on. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.